Hey guys, new season. It's a new season. It is summer season, and I am here to talk to you guys about the most popular tank right now, one of the most popular tanks right now, floating around the internet that I love, and that is the muscle tank. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you don't know me, my name is Brittany Cruz. Hi, and I am a online stylist here to help you shine bright with style, grace, and confidence. Today we're going to be talking about a muscle tank, the muscle tank of the season, which is the shoulder pad muscle tank. Sold out everywhere, but I was able to find a few things that are in stock and link them down below for you. So I will put them down below and you guys can shop if you love them. I'm going to show you guys 7 ways on how to wear this for the summer season. So the first way that I wear it with is actually my day off, and my day to create content for you guys is Monday. So on Monday I am really comfortable. I'm editing, I'm filming, I'm cleaning, I'm doing yoga. I'm having a really comfortable day. So I went ahead and paired it with these awesome sweats from Forever 21. So the color combination of the solid black with a wash black for some reason works really well right now for the season. I love these sweats so much. They're from Forever 21. I got them in a large, and honestly, I didn't like the sweat trend before, but I like it now, probably because of the pandemic. It made me want to be more comfortable, and if I'm going to be comfortable, I'm going to be cute, and this looks so cute with this shirt. What's great about these sweats is it cinches at the waist, so you have a really cool shape to your body. You have the wide shoulders, and then the skinny waist, and then the billowy bottom. And I just tend right now to like that silhouette at the moment. So a lot of my outfits are going to copy this same silhouette, but they'll be all different outfits for you guys. The next thing I wore it with was this amazing skirt from, I believe it's from Topshop. Picked it up at Nordstrom, oh my gosh, 3 years ago, and it's been a staple in my closet. This is going to be a major trend this year, which I'll talk about later on when I talk summer trends, but striped or really flowy skirt that is kind of matched in the stitching, and it kind of has a scarf feel to it. Definitely is going to be a skirt that you're going to want to get in your life. They were selling them 2 years ago, 3 years ago, but it just didn't pick up as much as it is picking up now, and so it's a great addition to your closet. But this one is great. It's all my favorite colors right now. This beautiful blue color, just like a light blue jean, black, white, of course, any type of green, and a baby pink. And so mixed with this, it just steps up the skirt. It just updates any type of t-shirt and jeans or t-shirt and skirt type of look, and so that's why this shirt is just so great to update a 2020 version of a tank top. These days I've only been wearing sneakers, and so I paired it with my favorite Stan Smiths, and honestly I can see myself leading worship in this outfit, being really flowy and free and ready to give God all the praise at church. So this is a nice church outfit. The next thing I paired it with was, of course, you gotta wear the biker shorts. Okay, so I got these biker shorts from Target. They are so cute. They are a liquidy leather type of biker short. They are size medium, and they are high-waisted, and I love it because you can't see through them. And so definitely if you wear the right undergarments, you can wear these with this crop top type look. I can pair this with a jacket around my waist or around my shoulders. I can bring my jean jacket with me. I can wear a sweatshirt with it. It's a really cute outfit, and I also paired it with my favorite white sneakers right now, which are my Stan Smiths. All right, next is, what else did I wear it with? Oh, I wear it with these shorts. So these shorts are thrifted. I pair them, and I show you guys these shorts all the time. They're like a dad, mom short. What I love about these is, I don't know, I was really attracted to them years ago when high-waisted shorts for thick type of girls just was nowhere. I was looking everywhere. So the only place I could find was at the thrift shop, and what was great about these were they were high-waisted, they were wide, and so they fit my thighs perfectly. And so I've had them in my closet for many years now, and I just haven't thrown them away or gotten rid of them, and they just seem they just seem to keep reviving themselves because the dad short jean is back, and that's what these are, except just my thighs fill out the whole thing. So I am on the hunt for a dad short that is a little bit wider than my actual thigh right now, but for now these are working well for me with the trend. And so I love these because it's high-waisted and it just tends to have that same cinched feel, like an hourglass. It kind of looks like this, and I just love it so much. So it's a great outfit to pair. This is another silhouette that's really big right now, is the billowy bottom. So wide-legged pants, balloon-legged pants, tapered pants at the bottom that have the pleats at the hip. Those are big right now. We'll probably talk about that later, but I was able to pick up a pair from Nasty Gal also, and these are so cute. It's a really, really light jean, and they taper at the bottom. One thing I really like about them that's really special is they have a line in the middle, which is always nice, and then also they're kind of wide-legged, and they taper, and then they cinch at the waist, and it's just that old school mom dad jean look that is really, really just appealing right now. It's just the silhouette that looks really cool and also extremely trendy. And we'll talk about the balloon jean later, but I will link these specific ones down below for you guys. Also, they're great for a wide-legged girl. They fit me at the waist, and also they're wide enough to still have that billowy look around my hips and my thighs, and so I really like that. Of course, gotta bring out my favorite white denim shorts. You guys, I love these shorts so much. I got them in the jean, and I do not wear them as much as I wear these white ones. The fresh look of the white jean with the solid black t-shirt, it's just classic. And so I paired these with some sandals, black sandals. It's just what I've really been into these days, and that's what I've been buying. And so I paired them with this, and it was amazing. I love this outfit so much. I can see myself, you know, running errands, running out, doing things all summer long with this tank top. I mean, I could wear this tank top every day of the week. All right, and the next one, obviously I had to put some type of black denim with the black shirt, and so I did a black mini skirt from H&M. This is a great skirt. It's stretchy. This one is a size 10. This is a size 10, and also this shirt is a medium large. It comes in small, medium, and medium large. And so this one is a size 10. It buttons. It's pretty short, but I make it work. I was able to, when you get it a bigger size, it ends up being a little bit longer, and that helps. So I love these shorts, or love this skirt so much. And then finally, I was able to pick up a slip dress from Target. This thing fit me so well. I love it so much. I put this shirt over the dress and I tied a knot, and boom, it's a skirt. And this was a really great and comfortable outfit. I can see myself wearing it to church. I can see myself wearing it to dinner, and it just adds that extra, I don't know, that silhouette that's just working for me right now. And I think it's going to work well for all body types. Now, I really do think that the reason why it's going to work well for anybody at any size is because it's going to give anybody who doesn't have many curves, and also it's going to give people who do have curves a really cinched in waist, and that is always helpful for anybody in any girl out there. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for walking. Also, as a style content creator, I want to do what I can to also push the needle forward with the Black Lives Matter movement. So when it comes to all of my affiliate links, I will be actually donating half of all profits that I get from any of the affiliate links that I post for the rest of the year. 50% of it will be actually sent off to charities and organizations that will help push this needle forward in the Black Lives Matter movement. I want to help the Black community that I'm a part of, my son is a part of, my family's a part of, and also if I wasn't a part of it, I would help it too. And so definitely, if you buy anything in the links down below, 50% of anything will also, that I receive, will be going towards the Black Lives Matter movement for the rest of the year. This is just something that I want to do, that I thought of that could help right away, and something that I could do in my life every day, that I can live about it every day, I can talk about it every day, and that's the best way that I can give is 50%, which is crazy, but that's just what my heart says to do. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and also hit that notifications bell so you can know the next time I put out videos. But thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. See you later. Mwah.